Imagine searching for a single book in a massive library without a catalog. That's what it's like querying an Oracle database with no index. An index is a specialized structure in Oracle databases designed to speed up data retrieval. Think of it as a roadmap that helps the database engine locate information quickly. Without indexes, searches become sluggish as the database scans all rows to find relevant data. Indexes act as shortcuts, allowing Oracle to jump directly to the rows you want. This is especially vital in large tables where performance can make or break critical applications. Consider a real-world scenario, a table storing millions of customer records. If you need to find customers based on their last names, an index on the last name column enables Oracle to fetch results almost instantly. Without it, every query would check each row one by one, a process that's inefficient and time-consuming. Indexes not only accelerate queries, but also optimize joins and sorting operations. Maintaining indexes adds overhead during data inserts, updates, and deletes. That's why it's crucial to create indexes thoughtfully, focusing on columns frequently involved in search conditions or sorting. In summary, an index in Oracle is much more than a technical accessory. It's an essential tool that transforms how data is accessed and managed. By strategically using indexes, you empower your database to perform efficiently and handle complex data demands with ease.